2, 3, 4.
Hi, I'm Sunny.
Hi, I'm Anil.
And we're in the Stumble Inn right now, nestled in the heart of busy Kensington, just a stone's throw away from the Ideal Home Show and Olympia, London. Anil, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I'm Anil. I've been a bartender for 6 years. I served celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo and billionaires across the world.
I've heard that the Ideal Home Show has its first official cocktail in over 100 years.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about it.
So it's a twist of a classic Negroni with a touch of a Christmassy feel in it. So to start with, we're using a crème de prune, which is a plum liqueur, and the dry vermouth from Italy. And to get the Christmassy feel, we're adding winter spice bitters, and we're using an Overproof rum, which goes really well with this combination.
Right, so tell us a little bit about what each of these ingredients bring to the cocktail.
The crème de prune, which is a plum liqueur, which gives you the rich flavor to the drink. And the vermouth gives you the crispiness on your palate. The winter spice bitters gives you the Christmassy feel, and we're using Overproof rum to give you that kick.
Those ingredients sound amazing. That's going to make Christmas dinner bearable. I'm going to leave the cocktail making to the expert. I'm going to go find a seat, and you give me a little wave when it's done, and I'll come back and try it.
Yeah, sure. So, crème de prune. So these are the equal quantity, just like a Negroni. I'm going to use this 25 ml of this. There's a jigger, there's a 25, and there's a 50 ml. So single and double. I'm going to using the single. Here's the dry vermouth I'm using. It's from Italy. The vermouth, you find it from a different regions, from the France and Italy. I especially like this vermouth because this blends with this cocktail. So I chose this Italian vermouth for it, dry vermouth. That's another 25 ml of the drink. And this is the Overproof rum we're using to give you that kick on your palate, and the same equal portion of 25 ml. I feel like there's something missing in this cocktail. As it's a drink of a Christmas, we need that Christmas touch. So I choose the winter spice bitters to do it. So this will give that nice cinnamon and a Christmassy flavor with all spices in it. It gives you really nice flavor on your palate. Add 2 dashes of this. So now the alcohol is ready. All we need to do is put some ice and start stirring it for 10 seconds. I'm adding the ice. Just a scoop of ice will go in. Take a bar spoon, start stirring it. Stir for 10 to 12 seconds. That will be enough for the drink. That's it. That's ready to go. Wow, that tastes really nice. Now I'm gonna get the perfect glass for it. So here's the chilled glass I'm using from the freezer. And I got the clear block ice, which is homemade. So orange oils on the top to gives you that nice flavor. When you're drinking, you can feel that orange in it. Make it into a good shape and start twisting it to make it look good. Garnish with a cinnamon stick to finish it up with this cocktail. There you go. Your Ideal Home Show Christmas cocktail is ready for you. Cheers. Wow, this tastes amazing. You're gonna love it.
Wow, that looks amazing. You're all done?
Yeah, it's done. Everyone's gonna like it.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Okay, let's do it. Wow, that tastes so Christmassy.
Yeah.
I can almost feel the snow outside. Right, well, I guess the only thing left to say is, if you want to try that cocktail, the only place you can get it is at the Ideal Home Show, so make sure you get your tickets at the link below. And of course, if you do get a ticket, all visitors get 30% off here at the Stumble Inn, just across the road. So, I hope I see you there, and I hope you get to try this fantastic cocktail.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and hit the subscribe button.